Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Either you're a beginner or you're an experienced trader, if you want to trade crypto, you're in our ecosystem Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club. To trade crypto is simple. There are 5 major things that you're going to need, even it depends on the way you want to trade your crypto. Number one, you're going to need an exchange. So if you have not a link or you've not registered on Bybit, the link is going to be on the comment section. You click on it and register. Number two, you're going to have a need for DEX screener. This is a place we research for meme coin, low cap coins, coins that have not been trading on major this token that have not been listed on tokens that have not been listed on the major aggregators. There are still meme coins and all of those, or they are already, but they are not mostly listed uh, on major centralized exchanges. Then you will find them on desk screener. It's the same thing, though they are more risky because they are tokens that probably do not have any core things. So we do a research strategy on how to locate some low gem or meme coins that can do well in your account. Now, third, so you're going to need aggregators. So is this desk screener is aggregator? So something like CoinMarketCap, okay, and CoinGecko. Then, so exchange aggregator like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, desk screener, the aggregators. Then you're going to need wallets like MetaMask wallet on your desktop, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePower Wallet. These are wallets. Then lastly, you're going to need analysis platform, place where you do market analysis. So all of these are very important for you to do well in your crypto journey. So let's start from now, how to navigate Bybit. So there are so many things we do on Bybit. And why my choice of Bybit? Because it's a hybrid exchange that you can do everything. You can trade your crypto, you can trade stock, you can trade Forex. So it's 3-in-1 segment. So that's a powerful, and you can do investment. So let's quickly reach out to some tools available on Bybit. You have copy trading, but I will not advise to just copy any trade anyhow because you do not know the performance of those people. They may look good, but that can give you an issue. So, but there's a copy trading there. You pay nothing to do any copy. You can do AI market analysis where you just ask ChatGPT or all right, or TradeGPT, what coin to trade and all of that. You have trading bot. Okay, you can set up your trading bot, all right? There are different trading bots we actually have that you can use to trade, okay? So you can go to trading view straight up in your back office and all of that. These are tools. Finance, you have different things on finance, advanced, and you can, all right, you can buy some coins and keep it for any APR reward and all of that, crypto loan, all right? There are so many things, all right, that you can do on Bybit as it is. Okay. Then you have okay, you have learn. Okay, so there's so many things I'm just trying to let you know that you can enjoy using Bybit as it were. Okay, can do a lot of things, can live stream, others can join, and so many things that are available on Bybit's platform. So I'm just trying to show you some of those things. Tool, okay. Then trade. You have different trading. Okay, you have sports, you have margin, okay, futures. So the two major ones we do. So trade fees to trade in other financial market as the stock market, that's traditional finance. So you can do all of those things using your Bybit. So now quickly, I'll just show you little how to go into trading. So let me click on trading portal. On your phone, you're going to see straight off and all of that. So we have trade spot, you have trade derivatives, so which is trading perpetual. So if it's spot, look at trade spot. But for me to trade spot, I must have money, and majorly the money we want to have for trading is to be in your what do we call it, account. The money should be in your unified trading account. So once you deposit money to your Bybit, so this is the place you deposit money. If I click now to deposit money from external, or you actually, if you verify your account, just do P2P, and then the money will be available in your account. So once that is done, if you do P2P, of course, the money is going to be in funding wallet, funding account. So there's a need for you go to finance or you go to wallet and do transfer. So you transfer from funding into your unified trading account. So any trade you are doing will take place there. So now let's say you want to trade. So this is trading. You still have trading view here, but you may not, your scanner cannot be transferred here. So you have to understand that. So your scanner cannot be transferred here. Let me see something. Tools, trading view. You just click. Let me see something. Start. Let me see something. Okay, I think Bybit now you can connect to your trading view. I think so. Yes, there's a way you can link your account to trading view. Yes, so let me follow. Open. So let me connect. Okay, let me connect. Let's see. Mhm. Okay, sorry guys, you've not had me. I'm sorry, I was trying to experiment something because I saw that you could just connect your, so I would do a different video entirely for that. I could see that you could just connect your trading view to your, if you look at two, you can connect your trading view to your, call it for me. You can just connect your trading view to your Bybit, and then you can trade any of your instrument you are trading. Look at this switch. This is Ethereum. Okay. So if I want to buy, I could buy. So I would do a different video to educate us where I can connect my trading view, right? Connect my trading view with this place and actually trade from there. That's what it is. Okay, so but let's quickly go forward to what we're doing. So I want to trade. So you go to trading portal. So then it's a sports. You want to trade or futures. So trade derivatives, which is perpetual. So trading futures. So there I go. Look at, right? Derivatives. I want to trade. So that means you're going to have either isolated or cross. So there's a portfolio. There are training we're going to do about that. So isolated is recommended for beginners. All right. Isolated is recommended for beginners. So what you can trade on isolated. So why? Because you expose a certain amount of your money into the market. So how do you go about it? You have, first of all, you have to set the parameter isolated. And then if you want to now trade, are you going to use 10x or 20x or 50x? As a beginner, you may want to use just 5x so that to not expose your account to too much risk. You confirm that first. Now, having confirmed that, you now want to enter a trade. So when you enter a trade, you want to look at, is it market price or limit order? So if it's market price, you put how many do you want to actually buy. So if you want to put it in dollar, instead order cost by USDT, so you confirm so that you will not be confused. Okay, so how much? So probably you want to put in $20. So 5x times this. So this is the value. And of course, you want to put take profit and stop loss. You want to put all of those things, right? At the market price, you want to put your stop loss and not like you open long or short. Now, why am I showing us this? So this is simple. How do I know the instrument to trade? Okay. Now, this is where the journey comes from. To know the instrument to trade, you have your coin market cap, CoinGecko. Now, if you are a future trader, if you want to trade all the coins, even meme coin, so you just put it on trending. So all the coins that are trending now will be available there, right? So now, if you just want to trade top coins, so you just change it to this. So it won't bring all this meme coin. So here you come. You can go to your, I love to use system for this. So you can use your phone. So I come to 24 hours and click and see instrument. Oh, Pengu. Wow. So I want to see instrument that just start pumping or dumping within so time. If I click it again, so you just sort it. Dex, I think Dex has dumped for a while, so we're going to check it. So, but let's check Pengu and Dex. Here's a token you can trade. So if I even go to my, what's it called? If I even go here, so I can search for Pengu. So that is Pengu. So look at Pengu, beg your pardon, Pengu. But this is good to actually go and do my analysis on my trading view, especially with my scanner. So this is Pengu, okay? I want to trade Pengu with USDT, perpetual or spot, perpetual. Okay, you now go and click. So Pengu has actually traveled far. Time frame, let me first look at it on 4 hours and see the structure. So Pengu has traveled far. Look at the pumping. So this is how it's supposed to be, okay? So if I go to my trading view, and go and check Pengu there. So I type in Pengu, P-N-G-U, Pengu. Then I can even look at it on Bybit. Oh my God, Pengu has gone far. So you can see that Pengu was pumping. Now, if you look on daily, Pengu has been pumping. That's what it means. From a very nice support zone. That means Pengu still have capacity to travel far up to this point. This is massive. So, but it's already too big now. So what do? I need to go down to a more lower time frame to see a pullback so that I can use Pengu. I can trade Pengu. You get that? So it's very, very important. So let's go. Now, because this trade has moved so much today, so look at it on 30 minutes, see the buy. On 15 minutes, 60 the buy. So these are the places I will have entered. So we have to wait for a pullback on Pengu. So assuming you come early in the day, today, look at it. Wow, you have entered Pengu earlier than now. So let's look at it on 5 minutes. So Pengu has traveled so far. Look at the pullback here. Look at the entry. So you can't just jump into Pengu now. So let's check DEXs. So this is how you sort for coin to trade. So now let's check DEXs. If it's here, DEXE. So it's there on Binance, on Bybit, and all of that. Let's look at DEXs. Good. So look at DEXs. DEXs is still dumping. So let's look at it. So you can check coin to analyze and trade with. So very simple. So this one is still dumping because look at daily time frame. It can yesterday, before yesterday. So this market will still continue to sell, perhaps down to this point. So let's look at 4-hour time frame. All right. So the sell since that day still continue, right? So I just need to have a pullback. 4 hours already pull back. So let's look at 1 hour. So if there's not good condition to take the trade, you just leave it, look for another one. Because this has pulled back today. People have entered the market at about 6 a.m. in the morning. So you wait for it to hit this or break below this. The next pullback is your entry. So you can't take a trade down. Are you getting it now? So this is very, very simple to trade the crypto. So we said, let's go back again. So this is still selling. So Bitcoin is still massively moving up. All right. So let's click again, 24 hours. I want to see the one. So Pengu is still buying. So let's see. Okay, so Dexis is still dumping. So no buy opportunity yet. Okay. Venice token, VVV. Do I know this token? VVV. That's triple V. Okay. So let's go to coin market cap. VVV. Triple V. Okay. So let's go. Okay. Let's look at on daily time frame. I think VVV was selling, right? That's be a very volatile PS. Was it just a pullback? Let's look at it. VVV. Where are you? Okay. So now let's go VVV. So daily time frame. Give daily time frame. So the candle return back here. So let's look at 4 hours. Do we have a buy signal? No, it's not even having strong momentum. So let's look at 1 hour. So 1 hour actually say buy. But after that buy, it's still struggling all this while. So if not, what I'll just do is to go to my 5 minute time frame to find an entry based on the buy of the signal, which was around what time? Around 2 a.m. So does it have strong momentum? I was not going to go for it. This is very simple to find a trade. So that means the sell of this market may still continue perhaps until you get to this support zone. Okay, good. Let's just check again. So like Pengu still continue, we miss a very major point. Okay, let's look at this C. So let's look at this C. SIE. That one was already pumping back. So once you go to your coin market cap, you want to see coins in there. So that means this coin has really recovered from where it went to. That's what it means. Bonk. Syrian. Okay. Syrian. I think we traded this some time back. Syrian. SIREN. See? Collapse. And since then, no momentum for it. Go to 4 hours. No momentum. There's nothing I will do here. Okay. So if we decide to go to trending, or let's see most visited, open gradient, 145%. Wow. USD AI, cheap. Core. Let's look at core. Wow, River. So see Pengo. So let's look at core. So core. So if you want to be trading some coins that are not too, you have to be doing like this. So let's look at core. Wow. Core DAO. Amazing. That's great. So this is how you check. I can't find any entry, but that's how you check some of those tokens and MDAO M. You see that? So I do that beginning of the month or then every morning. So to find a trade, find a coin to buy, and all of those things. So unfortunately, people don't pay much attention to all of this. So your scanner will give you where to buy, and then you review it, just like what we're still having on gold now. So look at daily on gold. Am I on gold? Oh, yes. So 4 hours. So 4 hours say buy, but it was not even at this point. So go here, 15-minute time frame. There was no good buying conditions. 5 hour or 5-minute time frame. No good buying condition. It must have gone to a lower time frame because it didn't even have signal. All right, so that's the same thing. So Bitcoin, sorry, crypto. Jump into forex just now. Let's look at Solana. So if we're on daily, go on 4 hours. So there was no signal to buy on 4 hours. So you go to 1 hour. So 1 hour. So there was a signal. And this one, there was a signal for sale, but that was yesterday. You're looking at, even this one was yesterday. So you go to 30 minutes. Because you are coming today, you need to find your own trade. That was still yesterday. So that means you're going to go to 15-minute time frame. That was still yesterday. So that means the pullback you're looking for to find an entry. And then the pullback come, you go to 5 minutes, 3 minutes, then you're going to see the pullback where to now take that entry. Okay. So that pullback, somewhere here, that's a pullback, and your scanner asks you to buy. So you can buy in all of those pullback to follow the trade. So if you trade crypto, that's what to do. Very simple. Take advantage of it and make money. Look at Floki. So don't buy into a market without checking in on a higher time frame. It's risky. So look at Floki. So virtually all the coins pump. Can you see that? So this was indecision. Go on 4 hours. So you didn't find any signal 4 hours to buy. So that will take you to 1 hour. So even on your 1 hour, you neither find, because this was previous day, there's a pullback, though you have market on a support level. It was still yesterday. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes. You see that? It's still a pullback. Okay. This is my entry. 15 minutes. This is an entry. 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 So 5 minutes, that will give you more entry. You see that? This is an entry. Yeah, this is an entry. It's a pullback. So an entry here. So that's how you take the trade. It's not difficult, it's simple, straightforward. But for you to enjoy this type of momentum, you have to pick an instrument for the time being instead of jumping from different instruments. So you can see Floki, that's how to continue to buy. Then 1:2 risk reward is always your target. Then you are good to go. So read anyone watching this and you are a subscriber of the PBS Market Scanner, go and read the script. You understand why do I see there's a buy here, there's a buy, or there's a sell here. All right, so thank you very much, everyone. So trading crypto is very lovely. So if it's just spot, as you buy, you just hold or take profit and allow the other one to run as the market is running. So you are safer in spot, but you must know when to take profit to avoid total crash. All right, thank you very much. You don't have Bybit account, go to the comment section, click on the link there and register your Bybit account. Now, you have not subscribed for this scanner. Why not? Find a way to subscribe. Yearly subscription of this scanner is just $200, and then you will enjoy the benefit thereof. All right, thank you very much. If you want to reach out to us, take this WhatsApp number +234 90 470 44998. I take the number again +234 90 470 44998. Thank you and do have a nice time. Bye.